Hi dear kitchen queens, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is tutti frutti cake recipe. Make moist, fluffy and delicious bakery style cake at home with easy steps. So it is basically a sponge cake to which candied fruits are added. That can be enjoyed any time of the day. Let's start this delicious cake recipe. Firstly, preheat the pan for 20 minutes before baking the cake. Grease your cake mold. Set the butter paper and keep aside. Take tutti frutti in a bowl and 2 teaspoons all-purpose flour and mix it to coat well. This step is important to evenly distribute the tutti frutti. Don't skip this step. Take a bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder and mix well. Take a mixing bowl, add the room temperature butter in it. Whip 2 minutes, till it become light and fluffy. Powder the sugar and add it into the butter. Whip it again till the sugar gets completely dissolved. Add 3 eggs, add one by one. When making the cake's recipe, be sure to follow each step, and always use room temperature ingredients. Beat until the texture will begin to change to more thick and foamy. Now add the dry ingredients. With this prepared wet mix little by little. Fold the batter. Add dusted tutti frutti. Pour batter into the prepared cake mold. Some tutti frutti on top. Bake 20 minutes. Carefully remove the cake from the pan and continue to let it cool completely. Remove the butter paper. Look how soft and delicious cake. Now enjoy with a cup of tea. If you're new on my channel, it is a humble request to you all that subscribe to my channel so we can grow. Thank you.